My name's Jeremy John Shuey. I've been with Limitless Male for, we're going on a year now, and I love it. Before I came to Limitless Male, I was getting pretty heavy set for my height and body weight. I was 220 at 5'7". I was definitely on the obese scale. Whenever I would bend down, it was hard for me to catch a breath, going out and playing football with the kids. So it wasn't as much as me just thinking about myself, it was me thinking about my family and being able to be there and not end up as, like part of my family, ending up with diabetes, ending up with a heart attack or something like that because of obesity or something. So I've tried, different routes with martial arts, jiu-jitsu, taekwondo, and just going to the gym. I got into, tried SARMs, tried pro hormones. Nothing really worked as well as coming to Limitless Male and getting on that TRT and the Semaglutide. When it came down to discussing TRT replacement with my significant other, my wife, I talked to her about it and said, maybe I should go get my testosterone checked. Maybe I should go on some TRT and, just see where it goes from there. And she said, well, it doesn't hurt, go ahead and go check it out. I said, well, why not? I'm gonna go in and chat with them and see, where it goes. And the people here are nothing but professional. They've got your needs on their mind. They help you out, they explain things. Any questions I had, they were answered. They discussed with me the TRT, and I was like, well, that might be a factor. And especially with sleep too. I didn't sleep real well. TRT has impacted my life with more energy, better sleep, better libido, more cognitively aware, better muscle tone, definitely. Now I'm, getting a little bit more definition. Everything takes time, but with Limitless Male, it cuts down that time really quick. And I got on Semaglutide shortly after TRT. I did a couple months of TRT first, and then we started talking about Semaglutide, and because I was up there on my weight, and they said it's just a little injection in the belly like an insulin, and so I could do that. Let's try it out. I went on Semaglutide, and it is phenomenal. I call it a miracle drug. I've heard of a lot of people going and getting the gastric bypass, these bands. But I was 220 pounds on a 5'7" frame, and I'm down to 180, and I've got 2 months left. So that's phenomenal. My goal was 180 to 185, and I'll hit 170. I'm saying pretty easy. There's so many people that could benefit from Limitless Male and TRT or Semaglutide, and I was one of them. Fellas, if you're out there and you're in the same predicament I am, your weight's gaining, your libido is pretty much nil or gone, low energy, if you're even thinking about it, just go talk to the professionals. Let them do their job. That's what they're here for. Think about your family first. Don't, it's not just all about you. Think about yourself, but think about your family. They need you. Just come into Limitless Male and give them a shot. They did their job. It was great, and I can't say enough that it was probably the best money that I've ever spent.